welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for those who have subscribed to my channel, you should know that I previously learned how to make breakfast bento box. So this is actually the more detailed version of how do I actually make sweet potato bento box. Actually, I mashed this sweet potato, but in order to do that, first I need to cut it into bite size so that it's easier and it will take a shorter time to actually boil it. I would need 1 liter of water, filter water, and I'm actually using this multi-cooker, 6-inch diameter, so small size so that I only need 1 liter of water, and it took me roughly 10 minutes. 10 minutes all I need. I like this multi-cooker a lot because of this efficiency. And within 10 minutes, I'll get everything done and my bento box is ready on the go. Whether you want to do this as your side dish or you want to do it as your bento box or perhaps your breakfast on the go. After 10 minutes, switch off the power, remove the cover. All I need to do is actually a pair of forks or just a fork and a metal bowl. Smash it into mash form. So easy, so soft, so tender, and it's so sweet. Okay, this purple sweet potato. And then meanwhile, actually I can actually prepare the omelette roll. And this is a very dedicated rectangular pot so that I can efficiently get this omelette done. Cut into half, put in a seaweed, spread this sweet potato, and then roll it. Okay, the trick is you must leave the first inch empty so that you can roll it over, cover it, and then roll it backwards later to make it into a cylinder. Okay, so this is a trick which I've learned, and you may watch my YouTube shorts on other ingredient. Then all you need to do is you need to cut it onto a chopping board, cut it into bite size, and box it. So if this video actually helps you, please consider to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and appreciate a thumbs up. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.